Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix slow website loading in Google Chrome. So if web pages are taking a longer time to open, then just follow along. First, make sure your internet connection is stable by testing another website or running a speed test. Next, close any unnecessary Chrome tabs that may be using your memory. Then update Chrome to the latest version to make sure you're running the newest performance improvements. And the next thing you can do is clear your browser cache and cookies by opening Chrome settings, then selecting privacy and security and choosing clear browsing data. If you're using multiple extensions, try temporarily disabling them one at a time to see if one is slowing Chrome down. You can also try restarting your device and then reopening Chrome. And if websites are still loading slowly, try switching to another network to determine whether the issue is caused by your internet connection. So that was how to fix slow website loading in Google Chrome. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.